2020 Honda Civic Sport. I already painted this. This is going to chip. It's going to become bad. You just need to sand it down good, and I've got the paints to do it with. These are the paints right here to use. Get the proper paint color. You can see where the paint is coming off, and I'm going to sand it good, get it really smooth, and really cover it up so you don't get any paint on the car. And here's the other one. I'm going to sand that up good. This is a good tool to use, right here. Okay, I taped these up pretty good, got them sanded pretty smooth, and when your paint starts flaking off your 2020 Honda, you're going to notice it first on the plastic. It's going to come off the plastic parts, and this is what we're going to fix. We're going to do a coat of this right here. Okay, that's the first coat. We're going to let it dry. Okay, I'm getting ready to do a second coat. It's looking pretty dry. I wish I could film it while I'm spraying, but I've only got two hands. Okay, I just sprayed it. It's still wet. Looking better. Okay, I'm getting ready to go over it with a third coat of paint. I'm lightly misting it so it doesn't drip. So that's before. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to hit it with the clear coat. Let you see how I tape this. It's pretty ugly, but it works. Okay, we're going to put a coat of this on now. Look at that sunrise reflecting on the moon. Can you see it? Okay, I'm getting ready to do a second coat of clear coat. I got this cardboard because this stuff oversprays. Okay, that's the second coat. We're going to give it a few minutes, and we're going to do the last third coat. Okay, that's the finished product. It's pretty good. All fixed up. We're done.